Good morning from DC. We are starting our morning in DC. If you guys missed yesterday's vlog, my husband and I came to DC to celebrate our 4-year wedding anniversary. So we decided to stay the night here just to enjoy the night and do like a staycation. So last night we went to dinner, we went to an Arctic experience. That is where we are, and we're gonna enjoy our morning here in DC. We're just gonna get some breakfast and then head home because we do have sort of a jam-packed day today, but also we got some World Cup games going on, so we want to catch those at home. Last night was really nice. I slept really well. This hotel, oh no, I'm breaking out everywhere. This hotel was really, really nice. We just want to catch the rooftop view that they have because they have a rooftop bar upstairs, but we weren't able to catch it last night because we are grandparents. We literally went to bed almost as soon as we came home from dinner. We probably got home like around 11:30, and we were exhausted. I literally almost like knocked out as soon as we came, but we didn't get a chance to go look at their rooftop bar. So we're gonna go see if it's open to see just the view that they have because it's really close to like the Capitol and, you know, all of the touristy spots. I wonder if we can get a good view up there. Yeah, that's what's going on today. We're having a chill morning. I'm just doing a really quick makeup. Ever since I did microblading, doing my makeup has gotten so much easier because I promise doing my brows was probably like what was most time consuming when I would do my makeup, especially because I couldn't get the shape right. Like I would often mess up my shape, so I would have to like spend so much time correcting it with concealer, and like I would overdraw my brows all the time. And ever since I got microblading, like I feel like I don't even have to do my brows like that anymore. So I highly recommend if you're considering doing microblading, if you have like a lighter or fair hair or like sparse hair, it is so worth it. I feel like it is such a great investment. And I actually don't think I said it on here when I got it done. I did vlog it, but I just didn't ever end up posting it because I didn't come around to editing it, and then I felt like it was already like too old of footage to post it when I did like find the time to edit it. But I did get microblading and it was such a great experience. I will leave down below the gal that I went to. She's located in Rockwell, Maryland. And guys, she is an artist. Literally, like she changed my brows forever. I didn't even know that my brows could have this shape until like she did it. Until she did the outlining and everything, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe these are mine now forever. They're so worth it. And I think you just have to touch them up once every year, which isn't bad. So now I just use the Too Faced pomade and a pencil, and it has a spoolie and a pomade pencil, and I literally just use it to very lightly fill in some areas, but I literally do not do nearly as much as I used to do before. Are you ready, honey? I'm done.
Yeah, I'm ready. Wow, you're fast. You brought a lint roller too?
Yeah. Because I'm wearing a hat and it always gets hair. I'm literally holding on to dear life for this lipstick. I need to find a lipstick that's similar to this shade because I've literally used it for the last like year, and I think it's time to let go. I think it's time to let go of this too. I barely have any of this. Here's what I'm wearing today. I'm really comfortable. Is it cold outside? Probably. But I'm prepared today because yesterday I was not prepared for the weather, but today I'm ready and prepared. I have my scarf. I have my, you can't really see, but I have this jacket from Target that I love. And then some trousers, my Nike shoes, and my hat. And we're ready to go grab some coffee. Are you happy?
What's up, mama?
Aww. You're a happy girl. We're home, baby. We are home. Oh my gosh. This is craziness. Wow. This has been our life so far the last 2 hours that we've been home. We've just been watching soccer. I've been editing some videos because I'm a little bit behind on Vlogmas. I just posted day 9 and I need to get started on day 10 and post it today as well because I'm behind. But we've just been watching soccer and chilling. Get started on working on this pot that I got at home. I'm gonna start by painting it white. And then after, I'm gonna blot texture onto it with a few of the paints that I have. This is the only paintbrush we have, and I just tried bringing it back to life because it is rock hard, but it didn't work. It told me to soak it in apple cider vinegar for an hour and then let it simmer on high heat, but it didn't work out. I don't have a brush, I just have this, which is like a natural painting sponge. So this will have to do for now because I don't feel like running to the store to get a brush because I don't need it to be like super perfect. I just need to get rid of this color. And this vase is already so textured, so it's gonna be like textured anyway. So I think this should work for now. So I'm just gonna start by covering it in white paint. And I'm using this paint. It's eggshell so that it's like a matte finish. And it's just in the color ultra white. And I'm hoping that I can make this look like a thrifted or like a vintage pot because it has the vintage shape, but it doesn't have the finish. So we're gonna try to bring it to life. Done. The lighting is so bad and I don't know if the camera is picking everything up well, but I put the first layer and it actually is already pretty dry, so I could probably move on to the next steps now, but we actually have to go to an engagement party. So I'm gonna finish this up when we get back, and I highly recommend using this natural brush. It was really easy to use. I did get my hands like really messy though. I need to wear gloves for the next step, but it went on really well and so far it's looking great. I'm excited for the final product. And the pot was only $45 at home. So to get that vintage look, it's a pretty affordable price because these pots can go for like hundreds of dollars. So we're gonna try to achieve that kind of look for a much more affordable price. One of the things that I love most about winter is that I can hide in scarves because for nights like tonight where I don't feel like putting an outfit together and I also don't know what to wear, I literally just throw on all black. I'm just wearing black pants, a black sweater, a black trench leather coat, and then this scarf. But you can't even really see what I'm wearing because like all you can see is my scarf, and I love oversized scarves. I literally put zero thought into this look, and it doesn't look like the most fashionable outfit, but it also doesn't look simple, you know? It looks a little bit fashionista, but also chill. I don't know what the engagement party vibes are. I don't think that people are gonna be like super dressed up. It's just like a dinner celebration, like, so I think I'll be okay. I mean, the tennis shoes are definitely super casual, but I think I'll be fine. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing for tonight.
So when I say go, the most words in the fastest amount of time.
Question.
Yes.
So say you write a word, right?
Yeah.
If you add an S to it, does that count as another word? So
Like,
say
instead of-
bro and then bros. No, just okay, gotcha.
No, that's a different word.
Right? That's what I'm saying.
You should put on here.
Keep on this corner right here. That corner is mine. All right. Everybody ready? Yeah. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Bro.
Oh, and then the thing, you got that. Yeah.
Ops. Like ops. Those are my ops.
We're done. We're done.
Pro. Third word is prop. Fourth word is loop. Fifth word is pool. Sixth word is rosa.
That's a name.
Sorry.
We lost.
It's okay.
Alrighty guys, so I'm home now. I just put on this Caudalie purifying mask on my chin area because my skin is not having it. I don't know why, particularly down here. I'm just like blowing up with texture and pimples. I honestly think it's my eating, guys. My eating has been really bad. Like, I know this week was supposed to be a reset, but like the sweets, the free pizza, like it's just been one thing after another. I haven't been drinking as much water, so I feel like my skin is just upset with me. So I'm doing this mask so that I can just detox this area of the skin while I finish up the project. It should be super easy from here on out, but let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. I feel like a potter, like I'm making a pot, but it's already made. So I'm using these two paint colors. This one is in Precision, and then this one is in Valspar by Sharon Williams. But here are like the two shades at the top. This one's more of like a yellow mustard, and this one is more of like a beige. And I'm basically going to use both of these together. I just put them in a plate, and I'm going to use a paper towel to dip into both of them and kind of just spot the pot and create like that texture. And hopefully it turns out the way that we're wanting it to, because I wanted it to be a little bit more of the gray color, like gray stone, but I don't have any paint. So I'm gonna try my best to work with these two. Here's the final product-ish. I need to wait for it to dry because it's still a little glossy on some areas, but hopefully it dries like really matte. And also I want to wait to see it in natural lighting, because I feel like right now in this lighting it's a little bit hard to see the true color. But what I think really helped was at the end, after I went in with these two shades, I went in with a little bit of white and I kind of just blotted it throughout, so it looked a little bit more like a lime wash effect when I added like the white. And yeah, I like the finish of it. It looks like a nice beige, but I'm excited to see it in natural lighting because I think it's gonna look really nice. I'm excited.